People are now starting to accept it.
We're going to monitor the market.
10% of its macro fund in Bitcoin.
How do you get from where we are now?
Yes, I saw Bitcoin coming, and I was able to forecast that it was going to finish really, really well this year. So I was actually on Asia AM, Singapore money program, biggest in Asia, and actually forecast that it could potentially do 20,000. Did a video saying, make sure that you don't miss out on the opportunity of Bitcoin. Okay, why? Bitcoin's become of age. What do I mean by that? Well, all of a sudden it's become acceptable to the institutions. We've seen PayPal accept it. We've seen Square, which is a massive payments company in America, accept and actually buy Bitcoin itself. We're seeing fund managers that are actually investing a part of their portfolio into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's become of age, it's become a normal, it's become acceptable. And people don't cringe and go, oh, Bitcoin. People are actually going, oh, hang on a second, maybe there is something to this. About time too, really, when you consider that even as us as a company, we've been talking about it for nearly 10 years now. So that's crazy, and certainly for the last 5 years, deVere has been an advocate of digital currencies of some form and said that ultimately the world will use digital currencies. Now that's accepted. Yes, I think lots of people knocked us and me for my opinion on Bitcoin. So I actually stood up, even JP Morgan actually said, you know, okay, I wouldn't touch it. Now JP Morgan have got involved in digital currencies. So yes, I feel vindicated. I feel that as a company, we got it right. And to us, it was logical, it was sensible. Why would you use paper money forever? Of course, there has to be a time when it's digital currencies. And of course, it's got further to go. You know, today we're at 22,000, which, you know, there may be a sell-off because there's been a massive returns that have been made on Bitcoin, more than any other asset. So there may be some sell-off, but actually expect that trend to continue because it is now acceptable. And now that it's reached that acceptableness within the world, I actually think that we're going to see further growth next year. So buy on the dips, buy when you get an opportunity. Don't put your life savings in it, but realize it is an asset class and something that somebody should at least have some exposure to.